The reason why we are giving you a brief overview of our Waqt app, Quran Words and Concept, is this app as well as our website incorporates all our research. So if you want to refer to our research, you can refer to our website, but we would recommend this smartphone app, which contains all our research and it's regularly updated. So before I give you a brief overview of our research, it is updated on regular basis. We share our research through website, app, and YouTube channel as a duty of Ikra, which means read, understand, implement in your lives, and proclaim to others. So this is us proclaiming to others. But this is a work which is still in progress. But we update the website and app on a regular basis. All contents are to be taken as aid only, to assist your study and never as a replacement of Quran. Our duty as Muslim to pick up Quran and learn Quran and Deen Islam directly through Quran by ourselves will remain imposed on all of us on individual basis. Take it as an aid. Never ever take it as a replacement of Quran. Plus, to err is human. We all can make mistakes. So based on your research, if you come across any mistake or missing aspect in any of these contents, please notify us immediately so that we can correct our mistakes, and we would be highly obliged. So I'll just give you a brief overview of our Waqt app. It's a smartphone app. This is the icon, Quran Words and Concept. If you download this app and click this app, and if you click on the drawer and the three lines, it will take you to the different features of the app. I would recommend go to the keyword vocabulary and search the key Quranic words that you're looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for the word Adam, you can click alphabet A here, and when you click alphabet A, all the words that start with A would be shown. Click on the word Adam and it will show you the key word vocabulary of the word Adam as researched by us. You can copy it, you can share it, you can communicate to others. In addition to this, you can also refer to each ayah as well. So for instance, if you want to go to Surah Al-Nisa, you can click this icon. It will take you to Surah Nisa. And for instance, you want to go to ayat number 434 or 460, you can click on this icon and it will take you to that particular ayah that you want to go. For now, let's stick to this ayah, and you can go for you can select each and every keyword for that particular ayah as well. So for instance, you want to understand the keyword vocabulary of taqwa in this ayah. You can click on the word taqwa within the ayah. It will also take you to the keyword vocabulary section. In addition to this, you can also understand the concept behind each ayah by clicking on the concept button, which will basically complete a description and commentary of this ayah end to end. And you can also to refer to the lesson, how we can implement the divine lesson in our day-to-day life by clicking on the lesson tab. So thank you so much for listening to this presentation. So we are going to go into the question answer session. Please note that this session will also be recorded. Therefore, you can switch off your video if you're not comfortable. During the discussion, please, one person talks at a time. Please respect each other's views, opinions, and perspective. Please avoid detailed comments and stick to question only so as to allow addressing the queries. Please keep your questions short and concise so everyone can participate. For everyone or anyone who is not able to ask or who is more comfortable can also contact us with your questions and comments at either you can email us at infowaqt@gmail.com or you can contact us via the contact us website link from our website. Thank you so much.